Hello friends, welcome to my channel Khan in Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Arabic dish chicken majboos but in my way with Indian tadka. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon and please do comment. I have taken half cup oil. After oil heats, we'll add in 4 medium size onions finely chopped. Fry until golden brown. Add in whole garam masala, bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and peppercorn. Onion is golden brown. I have taken 3 medium sized tomato. We'll add in. Cook until soft and pulpy and gets combined with onions. Tomato has become soft and pulpy and it's well combined with onions. Now I'll add in 3 tablespoons of green masala paste. This contains green chilli, ginger and garlic. Saute this until the raw smell goes from this masala. 4 slitted green chilli. This is optional. I like more spicy, so I'm adding this. If you don't want spicy, you can quit this. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix well and saute for 1 minute. Salt as per your taste. After 1 minute, I'll add in 1 kg chicken. Mix well. I have mixed this chicken. Now fry this until 80% it is cooked. Chicken is cooked 50%. I'll add in lemon juice and mix well and cook until 80%. Add in chopped coriander, few amount, rest we'll add in later to garnish. Now cover and cook this. Let's open and check. Mix well. Preheat pan. Add in 2 tablespoons ghee. I'll transfer this chicken, only chicken pieces with few masala into this pan. I have transferred chicken with little masala in this pan. Now rest 20% will fry and cook in this pan. Chicken should get burned until golden brown. So we are frying this in pan. And once the chicken get burned from the bottom, you have to flip over the chicken. Bottom side of the chicken has fried, so I have flipped over the chicken. Normally we use bigger pieces, chicken pieces in majboos, but I use small pieces because I like small pieces. Now the chicken has cooked, fried well both the sides. Look at the color and the texture, it's become golden brown. Now I will transfer this chicken into a plate and the excess ghee we will use in cooking rice. I have transferred chicken into plate. The remaining ghee I will add in this gravy. I've taken 1 kg jeera kasala rice. Normally people use basmati rice, but I use jeera kasala rice. Now I'll mix this rice in this masala gravy. After adding rice, mix this rice with this gravy and fry for 2 minutes. Continuously stir and fry this for 2 minutes. Add in few chopped coriander leaves and mix well. I had measured rice in this glass, so I had taken 4 glass rice, 1 kg. I'll take water in the same glass, 5.5 glass water for 4 glass rice. If you use basmati rice, you have to use 2 glass of water for 1 glass of rice. Because this is jeera kasala, I am lessening the water quantity. After 2 minutes, after frying for 2 minutes, I'll add in water. After adding water, mix well and check the salt. Remember, you had added salt in chicken as well, so check the taste and add salt as per your taste. After adding salt, mix well. Now we will cook this, cover and cook, but in between you have to keep checking and stirring so that it doesn't burn at the bottom, and you have to cover and cook until the water drains 90%. Rest 10% will cook in steam. I'll cover this and cook. In medium high flame you have to cook. Once the water drains to the 90%, we'll lower the flame into low medium. I'll open and check once. In between I was continuously checking this. Now the water has drained 90%. Mix well. Mix well. Now we will prepare to give steam. Lower the flame into low medium. I have covered and placed a heavy vessel above the container so that the steam do not come outside. Now we will cook this in low medium flame for 10 minutes and then off the flame and keep it as it is for half an hour. Don't open before half an hour. After switching off the flame, I had kept it for half an hour. Now after half an hour I am going to open this. Look at this. Rice is cooked well in steam. I have mixed this well. Make it upside down, all the rice. Now I'll place this chicken, fried chicken, above this rice. Now cover and keep this for 5 minutes. After that we'll do the plating. Your chicken majboos is now ready to serve. You can serve this with salad or raita. To know the recipe of raita, please check in my description box.